If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta Platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it's Meta Tuesday, guys, so let's take a look at the daily chart and see what we can find from last Tuesday. Well, last Tuesday there was a large drop, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was continuation of that drop. But it looks like the market made a little double bottom right here. I'll show you guys right now. So we went down, we went up, and then down again. Now we had a nice follow through today, so this is a double bottom after 2 legs down. So the market already made a measured move. This is the first leg, this is the second leg down, and you can see that right at the tip of this arrow or near it was that double bottom. So we have 2 bullish signs already, and the market has bounced. So is this a bottom? Well, maybe not. Well, let's take a look at a channel. This is the channel that prices are still locked inside of. You can see that we got rejected over here, send prices down, but we're having a hard time going to the bottom side of the channel, which is what we expect to see after prices get rejected from the top side. We expect price to go to the bottom side, but you can see that Friday prices bounced from the midline of this channel, made a double bottom, and now Tuesday we saw a nice rally up. So it looks like tomorrow is also going to be another rally because we just got a nice little bounce, and there is still a little more room to continue higher. So it does look like we're going to probably be coming up short on this side of the channel, which could lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So I'm expecting this pullback to come to probably at least the 175 level, and that's where this gap is that the market could fill. So I'm expecting a pullback, or at least continuation of this pullback. This looks pretty good. We have a couple bullish signs leading me to believe that we will probably see a bounce, which is what we got, and continuation to the top side. So if the market is really bullish, we might even come up to the 194 level. So we'll have to wait and see. But the entire market was due for a bounce, like I showed you guys in my weekly SPY report. The market was due for a pullback. So it looks like that's where we're getting. All stocks are pulling back. Some stocks are probably closer to the bottom than other stocks. And for Meta Platforms, it looks like it just shows signs of strength because we cannot reach the bottom side of the channel. So we could see a large rally. We'll have to wait and see, but I'm expecting at least continuation, probably at least to the 175 and maybe even the 190 level. Well, even then, that would be the first break of this pattern, so we have to be aware that we could still see another push down because that might trap longs thinking we are reversing, but we'll have to make another leg down or another push down. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, this thing looks pretty good. Expecting higher prices. I'll be shocked if tomorrow's a red day. I mean, then that would be a very bearish market. But you can see that channel is not really that aggressive. So I'm expecting higher prices. So that's everything I see for Meta Platforms on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Meta Platforms, and let me show you guys something right now. So it looks like there was this downtrend right here where we had a break outside of it and 2 legs down to a new low. So that's a pretty bullish pattern because it could mark the end of a downtrend. So we had 1 leg right here. This was the second leg, and the second leg stopped right at the 2020 bottom or near the 2020 up move. So that's pretty much 100% retracement, and you can see that buyers are at this level. They're willing to bring the market up. So we got some aggressive buyers pushing up the market. You can see that we were seeing some follow through. Before, it was kind of bearish because we did not get rejected, but this week is looking pretty bullish. So we'll have to wait and see how it closes. But as right now, it's a green candle, so we could see a nice little bounce from here. We'll have to wait and see, but I mean, the market was due for pullback regardless. We haven't even been near the EMA since the beginning of this year. So we're going to see how large this bounce is, and we'll see if we can get on the opposite side of the EMA if we can get on the opposite side of the EMA and start seeing an uptrend form, then there's a strong possibility we have a bottom. As right now, it's a little too early to call, but it's looking like a possible reversal pattern. We'll have to wait and see. I'm definitely, the more I look at this chart, the more bullish I am on it. Before I was definitely a little more bearish than bullish, but just looking at it more, I'm a little more bullish now. But we'll have to wait and see. You can see that we did make a leg down right here, and then a bigger second leg, and then this third leg is right near the end of this measured move that I had, and also at the same point at this 156 level. So there's some confluence there that other traders are also looking at. So we got some aggressive people taking longs right now, but we'll just have to see if it works out or not. There's really no confirmation of an uptrend or confirmation of a bottom, but in textbook, this is what you want to see for a bottom. So we'll have to wait and see, but this looks pretty good. And I'll give you guys an update next week to see where we are at. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.